So it'll be solstice, room 1285.
Welcome to room 1285. We've been on a 7-day cruise here, and this is our last night, so we wanted to do the room tour. As you can see in here, you walk in the door and they have the 2 hooks. You know, I've used this to get my clothes ready in the morning and lay things out. On the back of the door, you'll always find your deep sleep, magnetic here. There's a white side, blue side. You've also got your muster station information and all of your emergency information. These are the lights. Now, my only point of reference is on a Carnival cruise, and so for the Carnival cruise, the master switch requires you to put a
card in.
Yeah, a key in or a card inside the hole. But for here, you know, it just has the master switch. And this brightens some of the lights in the room, dims some of the lights in the room. I thought it was pretty cool.
And you can also turn the lights off from there. You press it in.
Okay.
And you just twist it, turn it back on.
And immediately when you walk in here, you do have the bathroom right here, and you've also got your temperature. This thing actually gets pretty cool. I've found it to be better than what we've had on the new ships for Carnival, where they don't get cold enough. This one gets pretty cold. Light switch here. Now the cabin that we have is the
Concierge class.
Yes, so it comes with these nicer robes that we use during our cruise. It's very nice. We got the 2 of them hanging here on the back of the door. We've also got a pretty cool shower that opens almost like a door. And then they provide us with the products and the shower. Now I'm gonna step inside the shower, and I'm able to turn around in here pretty comfortably using the shower. This shower head adjusts. There is like a regular shower and then like a concentrated shower that happens in here. You know, here are the controls. But they do provide these products. We use them and they were pretty good.
Yep, and these are concierge class products. The CO Bigelow?
Yeah, Company Bigelow. Apothecaries.
They're actually pretty good.
Yeah. All right. So outside the shower, we have the toilet. This is a little room, a little area where they keep all of their cleaning supplies. But we've got the 2 drawers here. Let me get our little soap dish. And then this is the trash can. Extra tissues down there. These are our personal things that we bring. And again, they provide us with the lotion. They have body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion provided. These are shower caps. They provide them to us every couple days. And also makeup removers. Over here, we have like a 4 shelf system. I keep a little bit of my things up here. And down here, you've got some additional storage. 3 shelves down there. Towel rack. And so the first mirror, this place is full of mirrors. You saw the beautiful mirror in the bathroom. This is a full-length mirror here. There's an additional mirror over here. And then right on the other side here is the closet. The only thing that I'd like to see would be a light, but because we do have the concierge class, they provide us with umbrellas.
2 umbrellas.
Yes, big one, a small one. We've got our rack here, our safe, place down here for shoes. got some more things hanging. So if you needed to hang a longer item here, I have some of my dresses still hanging. They fit over here just fine. And they put extra robes in here for us. So that was nice. Then we get over here to the plugs. There are only 2 plugs here, but we did bring in our cruise approved, extension cord. That's also got the USB ports on it. They offer the water, very expensive.
Yeah, it's more like $5.50 plus gratuity, so it ended up being $6.50 for a bottle of water. So
the first night we got here, we did have to drink one of the bottles of water because we were thirsty, and we found out the true price of it. Now I found out from other people that there is a third port here. It is for the UK type of plug. I've heard of people getting a converter. So if you really would like to have a third plug, you get the converter that'll turn this into a US plug. And then you have 3 plugs here. But this is the light for the
little workstation.
Yeah. There's a nice little big size TV. This was very helpful. Useful. Here the TV got a big size, I guess I want to call it a desk, but it's really not a desk. It's like the top of our dresser drawer, because inside here is where we chose to store some of our clothes. Very big size. We could have stored our computers and things in here. Here's our refrigerator.
The mini fridge.
They do provide some snacks in here, but at a charge.
Yep.
There are 5 of these drawers. Nice size. Still have a few things in there. We made very good use of these drawers. This is the couch that comes around it. It's very soft. And what you see here, our room attendant, he puts these on the bed in the morning. So in the morning time we come in here and we have like 3 pillows stacked up. But at the nighttime, he'll put the pillows stacked up over here. But these were like laid out before we came in. It's very nice. And we've also got this little table here that we can move around and sit. I believe this is a trundle bed under here. It may be. I never pulled it out. Nope. It doesn't move. There is another drawer because they have lots of storage space.
Oh, yeah.
There is another drawer here. I used to store some of the cords for my computers in there. Trash can underneath.
Yep, and we also get binoculars for the room since we're a concierge class.
Alright. The next thing is right next to the table, or right next to the bed, there are these side tables and the phone. They provided us with a little notepad just in case. And there are 3 levels. Now, I didn't find a plug here.
Yeah, there's no outlets over here at all.
Yeah, and I'm able to pull this thing out. I didn't find a plug. So, and like some of the newer ships, they have the USB inside the light, but they don't have that here. Just
Yeah, but you can't turn off the light from there.
and there's additional storage up here.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. There's no storage above the bed.
Yes.
Oh, and there's our bag, our concierge bag.
Did we ever use it?
No, we didn't. But since we're concierge class, we do get a little tote bag.
Did we get to take it?
I think so. We'll have to double check. I'm not sure.
I don't know. Because I love a tote bag. And it's got a pocket in there. And when he turns down our bed at night, oh, finally, dark chocolate. We've been getting milk chocolate all this time. And Mikey doesn't like the milk chocolate, but finally we got dark chocolate. And the bed here. They have artwork in here. We've had artwork in some of our other rooms on the Carnival ships too. So that's pretty cool. There is a little magazine rack here on the side, and we've got our room service menu. And these are the prices for all of the
Ordered from the little bar, the little mini bar.
Yeah. And we've got an option here to put out for breakfast in the morning. So hang it on our door. Pretty nice. There is additional storage over here. And so these are the pillows that are on our bed in the morning when he makes it up. And they do service twice a day. And your lights here, they do fancier things. My lights, they...
Yep, the other light switch turns off the lights in here in the cabin.
And again, this one pulls out, but no plug in the back. So I'll just put it back. Alright, and that's it for inside the cabin. We do have a balcony, which they call a veranda. It's nighttime, so you won't be able to see much, but we will shoot this in the morning.
Actually, it's pretty nice. You can see. And these chairs do recline back, and there's a little ottoman, foot ottoman there. Yeah, nice table. We couldn't enjoy it much because it was cold the entire trip out here in California.
All right, that's room 1285 on the Celebrity Solstice.
And thanks, guys. Bye.
Okay, good morning. As promised, this is the morning of our last day here, and I'm going to show you the balcony in the daytime. This is the Port of Los Angeles. We have this great table here, footrests.
Reclining chairs. The balconies are pretty well maintained for it to be an older ship. Very nice view of the port. Port of Miami is still my favorite.
For sure.
All right. This is room 1285 on the Celebrity Solstice. Here's the balcony.